I don't have a tripod, I don't have a microphone, I don't have a camera, I don't have a better phone, I don't have a good light, and the list goes on. These are the common things that we lack as a small YouTubers. But then, what about the things that you have around you? Today, I'll be sharing with you some of the DIY equipment that I use as a filming gear to make my videos. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ivy. If you're new here, I welcome you. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for stopping by once again. Alright, let's get started. This is my studio that I use to make my videos. I have my tripod here, which is a small chair that I use as a tripod while filming my videos. And on top of it, I have a small gallon, and my diary, which I use as a support for my wooden extension board and my phone. This wooden board here is where I press my phone, as you can see, and also I use it to take my phone away from the tripod, the blue chair, because if the phone is as much close to the chair, the legs will show in my video. So the extension board helps me to move the phone away from the chair, so the legs of the tripod will not show while I'm filming the video. I press my phone on that corner of the wooden board, making sure that the camera is not covered, is well exposed, and start doing my work underneath it while I'm filming. It could be any project that I'm working on, whether I'm packing my hair accessories, sewing my scrunchies, packing them. It could be any project at all. This is just a demonstration of how I arrange my things in my studio while I'm filming. So over here on this chair, this is where I sit. That's the angle where I sit, and it's only my hands that will be showing in the video, not the whole body. The way I've positioned the camera is aerial view, so it will not be showing my body, it's only the hands. Right, next, this is my small tripod. As you can see, this one is what I use when I want to bring the work close to the camera, so I can clearly demonstrate what I'm doing. More especially when I'm sewing, so you can visibly see the stitches that I'm using in that particular project. The diary here is for the support of my phone and the extension board. A little disclaimer here, I'm not promoting or advertising any drink. This was just a gift that was given to me, but unfortunately, I don't take alcohol. So I just use it as my small tripod while filming my videos. So hey, drop your subscriptions, your comments, your likes. I might as well just give it to you because it has been sitting in the house for quite some time now. All right, back to business. So I'll press my phone on that small corner like so and start doing my work underneath it. And this helps me to bring the work close to the camera so you can clearly see what I'm doing. Once again, this is aerial view, so it's only my hands that will be showing, not my whole body. Moving on, this is the position where I'll place my phone when I want to make a video that is showing my face and the rest of my body. I sit here and face the camera and start recording. I use the front camera because I struggle to stay within the frame when I use the back camera, and it's something I'm still working on it. But the back camera is the best. Lastly, this is the overview of how my studio looks like. Please note that I don't own any sewing machine. These products are purely made by hands. That's why you can't see any sewing machine in my studio. Share with me the kind of DIY equipment that you use as a small YouTuber to make your videos, so I can also learn from you. So this is my basic sewing gear, a pair of scissors, not a fancy one, my threads, different colors, and my needle, sewing needle. Here I have all my pins in one ball. That's a seam ripper. I have safety pins, which I use when I'm making scrunchies for the elastic. And I have some pins as well. This is the basic sewing gear that I use to make all these products which you're seeing here, and they are all for sale. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have learned a thing or so. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share, comment, and like the video. I will see you in my next video.